Hey beauties, let's do base makeup using just 3 products under 3 minutes. My skin is already prepped. I'm gonna go with my concealer. I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand. This is L'Oreal True Match Serum Concealer in the shade medium N5. Then with a brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of product and then apply it wherever I need extra coverage, like around my eyes. Also, I'm gonna take it on my eyelid. Around my nose and around my mouth. Also, I'm gonna add just a little bit right here where I have discoloration. So I'm gonna repeat on the other side. This concealer has medium buildable coverage. Taking it on the back of my hand really gives control instead of applying directly on the skin, especially when we are not going for a full face makeup. So after concealer, I'm gonna use the bronzer. This is basically a blush plus bronzer in one. Taking it on the back of my hand. Then with a brush like this, I'm going to pick up the product. I'm gonna start placing it from here. And I'm gonna bring it towards the center of my face. Instead of adding separate blush and bronzer, this is like a 2-in-1 product which adds color to the face. And on the nose. Once we have added the color, we need to set the concealer with powder. I'm gonna take a little bit of setting powder on my puff and then I'm gonna even out on the back of my hand. I'm using L'Oreal Blurfaction setting powder, which is a new one. This is in translucent. Just press it where I have applied concealer and also wherever I don't want shine. To me, it's right here on the sides of nose, under eyes. Less is more with this one because we are not using foundation or anything. We are just working with concealer for the base. So keep it light and simple. And also right here. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can do your base makeup using just 3 products under 3 minutes. Concealer, bronzer, powder, and also this routine is perfect for every day. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys very soon. Bye.